Hi, I'm Tejae. Watch along as I demonstrate transferring a colored image to raw polymer clay. I'm using Primo clay and a laser printed image from transfers on my website, tjsart.com. You want to place the image face down onto the polymer clay and using your fingers gently rub so that there's a good connection between the printout and the clay. Then using your wood burning tool and gentle pressure, cover the entire surface. The heat of the tool transfers the toner onto the clay, so you'll want to repeat this process to make sure you're completely covering the whole surface. After you've heated the entire surface, spray with water. Allow the water to soak into the paper. Remove the paper by pulling it up with your fingers. Then you can gently rub the remaining paper off of the surface. Congratulations, you've transferred your first image. Using liquid clay on the back of this piece, you can attach it to a cured shape and bake using the instructions on the clay package. Thanks for watching. Visit tjsart.com to download image transfers for your next project.